Yeah.
So this was.
Sohail, congratulations on the win and Pfeiffer in the first match. You got the wicket in first ball itself. How easy was it to bowl in these morning conditions?
Well, it's never been easy. Bowling in T20 is always difficult, but I've played about 400 games that I've mentioned in my when I was getting man of the match. You know, that experience really helped me by assessing the condition, what bowl to bowl, what is pitch offering me. So I think that experience really helped me. It was slow pitch, and early on there was seam movement, but again, as I said, it's about bringing your own experience, knowing the condition, and then bowling accordingly.
Levitt had it 3 4s against you, and was there part of the plan to set him up for that wicket?
Yeah, I mean, he was looking for pace, and then I was trying to get him out, nick him out, but that wasn't working. So I went to plan B, and that worked. Sometime it worked, sometime it doesn't. So today was my lucky day, and it worked. So happy.
You came in very late for the tournament. You didn't have time for preparation as well. How do you find the environment and this wicket especially?
Well, I have played a lot of cricket in subcontinent. I mean, yes, I didn't play any cricket in Nepal, but it's similar to Bangladesh. But Bangladesh pitches offer a lot of spin, slow, and I was prepared. But obviously, as you said, I mean, I didn't have much time to adjust to the condition. We only had a practice sessions yesterday, and I flew from Canada, and it was a long flight for me, so I didn't get time. But again, I will emphasize on my experience. You know, when you have that much experience, it gives you opportunity to settle down quickly, assessing the condition, and playing accordingly.
You yourself and Ravi have played all over the world, and there are some young talents in the team as well. How do you rate your team going forward in the tournament?
Look, we have good team, all bases covered. We got good youngsters. That's what I mean. To be honest, for me, yes, we're here to win. But more importantly, as an individual, I would like to transfer my knowledge to the youngsters of Nepal, so they can develop their game. That's the basic idea coming here. You know, obviously I've played, I've done everything. It's been 20 years I've been playing. So main idea behind coming here, obviously I still have that passion to play cricket, but more importantly, I'm here to transfer my knowledge, what I earned over the years playing around the globe. So I hope not only my team, other teams plays. I'm very open. We had a meeting yesterday. I told my teammates, youngsters, that I'm very open. Come to me if you want to ask about anything about cricket, and I'm open for anybody else. I mean, all other Nepal players. For me, cricket is my passion. So wherever cricket goes, I become happy.
How important do you think is NPL going to be for Nepal to announce itself in the global stage?
Look, if you see, I start from IPL. We have seen cricket has been changed a lot since IPL for India. IPL has given so many players to Indian cricket. Then I'll talk about PSL. PSL did wonders for Pakistan cricket. So these leagues definitely help growing their cricket. So I'm pretty sure if this league keeps on going in coming years, I think Nepal cricket will grow definitely.
Coming back to the game, so Chitwan had some fans being brought over from the local stage. So how important do you think is the fan support and Chitwan putting up front foot and bringing 5 buses of fans just for the game?
I think, look, we are entertainers, we are artists, and if nobody's there to watch us, I mean, it's not fun. So having that much crowd, and then before coming here, I knew, I mean, I've seen some glimpses on TV while Nepal cricket and how the fan following is here. So I was expecting this crowd. So I'm very thankful to them. I hope they have enjoyed and they keep on enjoying. Every team will try to entertain them, and I hope they will enjoy it.
Thank you.